සරල ඉංග්‍රීසි වාක්‍ය 15ක්. What's the matter? මොකක්ද කාරණය? What's the matter? He doesn't like doing arithmetic. අංක ගණිතය කිරීමට ඔහු කැමති නෑ. He doesn't like doing arithmetic. Don't go without eating anything. මොනවා හරි කන්නේ නැතුව යන්න එපා. Don't go without eating anything. I go home. මම ගෙදර යමි. I go home. It is something strange. ඒක අමුතු දෙයක්. It is something strange. He is trying to be a good child. ඔහු හොඳ ළමයෙක් වෙන්න උත්සාහ කරනවා. He is trying to be a good child. How did you do the exam? ඔයා විභාගය කළේ කොහොමද? How did you do the exam? This house belongs to me. මේ ගේ මට අයිති. This house belongs to me. I am taking my father to hospital tomorrow. මම හෙට තාත්තව රෝහලට අරගෙන යනවා. I am taking my father to hospital tomorrow. He doesn't like eating rice thrice a day. දවසකට 3 සැරයක් බත් කෑමට ඔහු කැමති නෑ. He doesn't like eating rice thrice a day. You must do it. ඔබ එය කළ යුතුමයි. You must do it. Studying English is very easy. ඉංග්‍රීසි ඉගෙන ගැනිල්ල හරි ලේසි. Studying English is very easy. Nimal speaks English well. නිමල් හොඳට ඉංග්‍රීසි කතා කරනවා. Nimal speaks English well. Where do you work? ඔබ කොහෙද වැඩ කරන්නේ? Where do you work? I want you to know. මට අවශ්‍යයි ඔබට දන්වන්න. I want you to know. Thank you.